Hello guys, how is going with you today? I will show you and share with you how to fix and solve this problem on Truecaller application. Just watch this video till the end. So let's start. First now you have to go and open the settings of your phone. After this go directly to applications. Here you will find all the applications that you have on your phone. You will search only for Truecaller. When you found Truecaller, open it like this and then go to storage. On storage, go to clear data. Click OK and go back and click on force stop and click OK. And now the last thing is to go to Play Store and update your Truecaller again. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.